Gardening with Anthony and Iris, and today we are going to cut the pineapple. I have been waiting 2.5 years for this moment, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So let's dive in. First of all, I want you to look at our specimen. Look how beautiful it is. And I've washed it real good. All parts of the pineapple are usable. The skin, the leaves have medicinal values. So you can replant it and start another one, which is what we've been doing for year after year. So after 2.5 years, I cannot wait to taste, and it smells, oh my gosh, it smells heavenly. So let's dive in. Look at that. That smells so good. So don't throw this away. You can take this and boil it down and make a pineapple tea, which is full of chamomile, and that is so good for your immune system. So don't throw this away. The core, full of nutrients, chamomile. Now we're going to take this part right here and start all over again. So this one pineapple will now become another pineapple. So we pull off. Ooh, wow, I've never seen that before. It's different from a store-bought one. Look at that. Those are the roots there. That's what you want. That's what's going to root out and start the next pineapple. And we're going to pull this off, put this in our save box. Oh my goodness, look at that. You can't get this from the store like that. And I'm saving my leaves because you can boil leaves down, so nothing is wasted. Let's go down one more level. Alrighty. Okay, so there the roots are exposed there. Now there's 3 things you could do. You can take it and dry it, or you can take it and put it in some water. You can just go ahead and put it in some water, and then, or you can just take it and plant it. Because of the way the roots are, it will take either way. This one is ready to go in the ground.
I gathered some old soil from pots that have been sitting around, and I mixed it with some cactus, palm, and citrus potting mix. Here we have some Dr. Earth Exotic blend, and this is specifically for palms and hibiscus fertilizer. And then we have some earth medicine that I got from seedtime.com and some used coffee grinds. This will really boost up your reclaimed soil. And here we're going to mix that soil thoroughly. There we go, it's all mixed up. Now we're ready to plant. Now we're going to assess the mother plant to see if she has any pups. And there's one right there. We're going to take that pup right there and we're going to replant it. We're going to just separate it and put it in its own container. Now that pup will take about 1 year to produce a fruit, unlike the ones that we got the crowns from. So that takes about 2 years. So just know that that one takes a little bit shorter period of time than that crown that we got earlier. Now we got these 2 plants right here. We're going to separate those out and give them more room. And these are the ones from last year. We're going to repot them, make sure they have plenty of room and some new fertilizer so they'll be ready to go through the season. Oh, and this is the fun part, laying in the dirt. Only if you need to repot them. Make sure they have plenty of growing room. Plus we're going to put these up in the fall, put them under grow lights, so they'll be in the grow lights all winter long. And then in the springtime we'll pull them back out. And so we have, these are about 1 year old, and you look at them how big they've got, so much foliage, such beautiful plants. And so we're going to trim around it, get those roots exposed so we can repot it and let it have some more nutrients so it can start all over. This is the crown we started with from the beginning of the video, and we are replanting it. And just to start them out, I put them in a smaller pot, and they'll grow. I'll probably outgrow that pot, and next year we'll have to put it in one of those big giant pots. So there is your crown right there. That's from the pineapple we were sampling earlier today. Now this is a pup. A pup is one that we got off the side of the plant. This is the pup. Here it is. This is a pup. That's the one that will probably take about a year to grow. The crown will probably take 2 years to grow. Now you take care of those plants because you're now their moms and you want them to grow big and healthy. In about around March or May, after 1 year for those pups and 2 years for the crowns, this is your reward. Buds. And you know the fruit is coming. And it's going to get bigger. There we go. It becomes recognizable. And look how big it's getting. And then finally, it's harvest time. Okay. I don't have that on my head, but I can smell the pineapple, y'all. It smells so good. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's
smells so good. You want to smell it?
To be successful at growing your pineapple plants, refer to this chart with a list of its likes and dislikes. And happy growing!
Three, two.
Hi, I'm Iris. You see all of this? All of this came from grocery store scraps from the tops of pineapples. And this year we got 2. Next year we're expecting even more. Great expectations.
You're 100 out of 10.
All right, well, we're going to enjoy the rest of this. Thank y'all for joining us. If you like these videos, make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you can always be up to date with what's going on. We drop new videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. Thank you for your support. Have a great day.